Wait, and listen to me, if you really want to onboard professionals like I did for my startup platform. See, basically I am making and building a platform for my startup where professionals will be needed, right? So I have onboarded 12 professionals till now. All are so experienced than me, they all are so older than me. So how did I approach them and where did I approach? I'm gonna tell you in this video. Okay, so guys, firstly, my name is Priyanshi Jain and I am making startups, I am making you learn, I am making myself learn, and I'm sharing my experiences. Okay, so first thing I did was to download LinkedIn and make my profile. If you already have one, then that's great. Now what you have to do, you have to search for a niche in which your startup particularly falls into. So after that, for example, clothing. So you search clothing or you search models like that, and then you will go and search for professionals who are there, who have more than at least 200 and 300 plus connections, because that makes it reliable to approach them and make them as a team member. So it makes a trustworthy connection. Then you go to their DM. Firstly, if you don't have a membership of LinkedIn like I did not, and I still do not have, so what you can do, you can just send them the connection, and there is one option, connect. You send them that, and after some days or some time, even in the same day, they will send it to you. They will accept your request, like it works like an Instagram, that connection feature. And then you can directly message them without any promotion or without any costing you have to pay to the LinkedIn, and that's it. You have to approach them, they will interact with you, and trust me, ये जितना मुश्किल लगता है ये उतना मुश्किल नहीं है. It's very easy to approach people, to onboard professionals on your startup. So follow me for more startup learnings and for more startup tips, because I'm making the one, so I know it and I'm trying to know it. Bye bye.